This tree is highly medicinal to mankind. Hello guys, welcome to the Shantari. This is where we discuss herbs and spices for healthy living. If you look behind me now, you will see this tree. This is soursop tree. This soursop tree behind me. This tree is highly medicinal to mankind. Starting from the roots, the stem, the leaf, and the fruits, the seed, they are all medicinal to mankind. So today, I'm going to be talking about the fruits. Okay, this is soursop fruit. Okay, this soursop fruit. You all know that soursop is anti-cancer. So today we are going to be limiting it to prostate enlargement or prostate cancer, as the case may be. So today I'm only going to be talking about what we have inside. Okay, this will be the first series of this video. So that is to say, I will make more video concerning prostate cancer. That is using different recipe. Okay, so I want you to stick to this channel so that you don't miss out, so that you'll be able to prepare it yourself wherever you are, depending on how you can get those recipe. Okay, so now, if you are watching this video right now and you are not sharing it, it means you don't want others to benefit. It doesn't take you anything to share. What you need is to peel off this soursop. Okay, you peel this soursop. Don't forget, I said I will make another video for prostate cancer. We are going to be using this back in another video. But today, this is what we need. This whitish part inside, what you have inside, this is what we need. Okay? So once you open it, you carefully remove the black seed. Okay? There's a black seed inside. Carefully remove them. Put this whitish part in your blender and then blend it. As you are doing that, there is a big line at the middle. Make sure you remove that mold. Okay, you don't need that. Remove that. All what you need is this softer part. That's what you need. Make sure you remove the seed, then blend it into paste. Okay, now after you blend it into paste, I don't want to waste your time. I would have taken you through the process of blending, but I've already blended this very one you have here. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Okay, after blending it into paste. So what you need to do is to take this on an empty stomach every morning. First thing in the morning, take it on an empty stomach. You will come back and testify to the power of nature. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video.